A warm good afternoon to one and all present here. So, I welcome you all for this extramural virtual series. Today, we have Pranav of first year ECE to share his view on purpose of life. So, over to you, Pranav.
Good afternoon, all. Yeah, myself Pranav. I am from ECB department, 2021 batch. I welcome you all to the extramural series. Today, I have taken the topic purpose of life. It would be a motivational talk. For the past 1.5 years, we were chilling out, leading a comfortable life. Am I right, guys? Yep. Yeah, of course, in this pandemic, with the most important thing that we all learned, we learned many things, of course, but the one thing that we all learned in common was to be motivated in tough times with the belief that everything will be okay. Even I'm here to give a motivational talk on purpose of life. Everyone want to lead a comfortable life, isn't it? It's the human attitude and nature. In this short span, the man needs all this stuff to be fulfilled. Moreover, he is just greed on this, envious. Yeah, okay, fine. When we talk about successful life, that I mean successful life, there are certain traits to be carried with him. Before going to it, the common question that everyone have, how to lead a successful life? Let me counter question. When we wake up every morning, what drives us? Of course, in this recent days, the social media. Right? But really, literally, if you want to live a life of success, just get up from your bed. It starts from the early morning, that from your wake up till you go to the bed. If you want to lead a successful life, a life of success, complete success, happiness, and fulfillment, you must find your purpose. Look, if you don't know what is your purpose, if you don't know what drives you or inspires you, then you have no reason to improve your life. Purpose can guide life decisions, influence behavior, shape goals, and create meaning. Start a new day, shine brighter, create it, and live it. Living it means a lot. In this modernized tech world, many have forgot to live. I cannot comment this publicly, but literally, the electronic gadgets, as of course, has driven us madly. We have to admit it. It has become a toxic addiction. You know, education is alone, it's not a life. But without education, life is nothing. There's a difference, my friends. So, my near and dear, let's rise from our comfort zone, enjoy our happy struggles. And I like to give an important tip. No, it was given by Ulysses, a famous poet in English. He is saying, don't live to breathe, breathe to live. Hope you understand the meaning. And this is a famous quote given by Rick Warren. That is, the greatest tragedy is not death, but a life without purpose. So, my dear friends, let us understand what is our purpose. Let's die for it and live for it, and successfully let's complete it together. Completing together means a lot. So, friends, let's enjoy our happy struggles, explore things, and moreover, do whatever you want to do today. Don't postpone. Build yourself from your past. Learn from your past. And last thing I need to share with you is the mystery of human existence lies not in just staying alive, but in finding something to live for. It's a very, very powerful quote that you may store it. Yep. I like to say it once again. The mystery of human existence lies not in just staying alive, but in find something to live for. That is the purpose. So get your purpose, find your purpose, live for it. Jai Hind. Thank you.
So, thank you, Pranav, for the wonderful session. So, even for all the individual, we have a purpose. So, we have to know our purpose and we have to live our life accordingly. And it's really an inspiring session. Thank you, Pranav. Thank you, guys, for joining.